The quality forecasting process is paramount to a dealer's ability to consistently achieve its revenue and profit objectives. In addition to these obvious goals, the quality forecasting process also will allow dealers to ensure sales rep success, minimizing sales rep turnover. The quality forecasting process positions a dealer to manage their cash better and enable them to take advantage of strategic inventory buys from their manufacturer. And finally, the quality forecasting process, properly installed, is consistently 90 to 95% accurate, ensuring consistent sales results. The forecasting process is a function of an ongoing review of the information related to the completion of sales cycle activity taken from the company's pipeline management tool and CRM, as well as utilizing a market share growth plan, quota setting, market opportunity, and customer-based information tool taken from a business intelligence software like the Proselite Group's Pivot software. So forecasting begins with a commitment to the company's market share growth plan. This company achieved $12,547,500 of equipment sales in 2020. Using the Pivot Analytics tool, the company targeted itself to achieve 9.5% market share, which Pivot calculated to be $13,874,598. The company's market share growth plan was then distributed to individual sales reps in the form of a MIF quota for their current customer base, as well as a net new business opportunity quota for the sales rep to pursue. The sales rep was then directed to markets with the largest equipment opportunity by zip code for their net new business quotas, so that they can see where they can achieve, and more importantly, that they can achieve their net new business quotas. Finally, the rep is directed to a base of information about their current MIF for them to pursue their MIF quota. And a thorough forecast will include a summary of revenue expected from all sales reps on a team for net new and existing MIF revenue sources that totals to this team's forecast. The ongoing review of sales cycle activity completion should be directed to the completion of 5 or 6 activities. A transaction should be forecasted only if 80% of the activities that you select have been thoroughly completed. Some of the sales cycle activities that the Proselite Group recommends are as follows: the presentation of the dealer's value proposition, an introductory phone conversation from the dealer principal, or better yet, an in-person visit from the dealer principal or the sales manager. Gathering lease and copy volume information is very important, as well as identifying the buying team and identifying their individual preferences and perhaps their individual objections. The completion of a credit check is fundamental to any quality forecast. The completion of a digital output analysis, which may lead to an MPS environment, is also a valuable step in a forecasting process. The development of a mutually agreed upon compelling business process pane leads to the presentation of what we refer to as a prescriptive proposal, which will nail the business. And finally, successful demonstration or in-customer office trial of the solution desired to achieve the business outcome is a great step in the forecasting process. And the final tips we would recommend is that dealer principals conduct or observe the monthly forecast meetings to ensure that the closable criteria activities have been completed to their satisfaction. And lastly, we recommend that you call the Proselite Group and get Pivot to power your sales organization's results. My name is Steve Rolla, and I'm one of the partners of the Proselite Group, and my cell phone number is 410-446-3032. Please contact me. I would love to have the opportunity to work with you and bring Pivot to your organization.